Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. Today in this video we are going to talk about what is a content management system, CMS. So what is CMS? Building a website used to be very tough, like building a house from scratch with just wood and nails. You needed to know a special computer language called coding. But now there is something called a content management system, CMS. Think of a CMS as a simple tool that helps you make, change and organize your website without needing to be a coding expert. It's like having a special easy to use kit to build your website. Here's what those big words mean. So first of all, content. This is everything you put on your website, like words, photos, videos or products if it is a shop. After that, management. So this means keeping everything organized. A CMS gives you a control panel like the dashboard in a car where you can easily add new stuff, change old stuff, delete things and put everything where you want it. After management, here system. This is just the computer program that makes all this possible. What a CMS helps you do easily with a CMS anyone can do. Make a website. You pick a ready-made look called a design or template and start adding your information. After that, you can also add and change things in your website, like writing a new blog post is as easy as typing in a document. Putting up a picture takes just a few clicks. You can also let others help with your website. If more than one person works on the website, a CMS lets you decide what each person can do, like one person writes and another person make it live. After that, you can update your website. You can easily change prices, add new pages or update information without touching any confusing code. Think of it this way. Without a CMS, you are building a house by hand, cutting every piece of wood yourself. With a CMS, you are using pre-made parts, a toolbox and clear instructions. It's much faster and simpler to build your website even if you are not a computer expert. So some well-known CMS tools are WordPress. WordPress is great for blogs and many websites. After that, Shopify. Shopify is perfect for online shops, and Joomla or Drupal for bigger and more complex websites. I hope now you understand what is content management system. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.